Hold on to your hats. Sebelius faces scrutiny for serious potential ethics violations at HHS. That is Health and Human Services. Kathleen Sebelius, of course, is the head, and she is the one responsible for the launch of Obamacare. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius and other staffers may be inappropriately raising funds to promote Obamacare as enrollment woes continue. Thank you for watching the Shikama Live Show with your host, Shikama. Troubling questions and Freedom of Information Act requests by the Washington Examiner seem to be fraying nerves in certain quarters of the Obama administration. Republicans on Capitol Hill were outraged to learn in May of last year that Sebelius was asking high-powered CEOs to donate to Enroll America, a nonprofit organization created by Obama loyalists and designed to encourage Americans to sign up for the Affordable Care Act, better known as the Obamacare, according to an exclusive report by the Examiner. Now, 8 months later, a Sebelius spokesperson is evading questions about whether the potentially unethical practice has continued. Quote, the secretary has engaged in a sustained, aggressive outreach campaign to reach as many Americans as possible during open enrollment, agency spokesman Joanne Peters wrote in an email to the Washington Examiner. Quote, we're have been working closely with a range of partners, groups across the country to reach the uninsured. The mistakes and grammatical mistakes are hers. Emails reveal an intimate working relationship between the White House Office of Public Engagement and Enroll America, President Ann Philippic, a former Obama aide. Of the 448 pages of emails and documents turned over in the Freedom of Information Act requests, 257 were redacted and released to the Examiner, and another 179 were still under review. The close relationship includes these examples, according to the Examiner exclusive. H&R Block donated $500,000 to Enroll America. The prominent tax service provider stands to make a mint advising clients on Obamacare subsidies and or penalties. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation contributed $14 million to Enroll America. Although it supports anti-obesity and other health campaigns, the foundation also owns $1 billion in stock in Johnson & Johnson, whose drugs are regulated by the Food and Drug Administration under Health and Human Services auspices. Kaiser Permanente, no small player in the healthcare pantheon, has representatives on the Enroll America board. Enroll America has also raised $27 million from the Ford Foundation, the California Endowment, Kate B. Reynolds Charitable Trust, and others. Now, of course, this is illegal for Kathleen Sebelius to do, but she has continually done it. She should be tried for these ethics violations and at the very least fired along with her entire staff. And that would mean, of course, that Obamacare would have to get a new head and start this ball all over again. Tell me what you think about poor Kathleen Sebelius and her staff being unethical and violating the tenure of the law, not the letter, but the taint of the law. Thank you for watching the Shikama Live Show.